In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CRM in Notion. This simple tutorial is tailored for beginners, so if you're just starting out with Notion, you're in the right place. Notion is a powerful tool that can help organize information just the way you need it, and creating a customer relationship management or CRM system is one of its many practical uses. Let's dive right in by opening a new page in Notion. This is your blank canvas, where all the magic will happen. A quick tip: always give your page a descriptive title so you can easily identify it later. Something like Client Management CRM works well. Once your new page is open, our next step is to add a database. Notion offers flexibility here. You can choose between a table or a board view. A table is great for getting an Excel-like grid system, which is familiar to many and allows easy data comparison. Meanwhile, a board view, organized in a Kanban style, offers a more visual layout, handy for tracking stages or progress at a glance. Either option will allow you to manage your CRM effectively, so choose the one that suits your working style best. Now that you have your database ready, let's customize it by adding some key properties. Start with the basics: name and email. These are the cornerstones of your CRM, identifying and contacting each client or contact. Next, include a property for status. This could be a select or multi-select property, featuring options like lead, contacted, in negotiation, or closed deal. This simple status tracking will give you a quick overview of where each client stands in your engagement pipeline. And finally, don't forget to add a notes section. This is where you can jot down any specific information or follow-up details related to each client, ensuring you have all the context you need right at your fingertips. As your list grows, you'll find it handy to use filters and views to track clients more effectively. Filters can help you focus on particular segments, like clients with whom you're currently negotiating or to whom you need to follow up soon. By setting custom filters, you can quickly zero in on crucial indicators, saving time and helping prioritize tasks. Similarly, leveraging different views, such as filtering by deal stages or showing only clients from a particular region, can optimize how you interact with your data daily. And there you have it, a simple, efficient CRM built right within Notion. With your new system set up, you'll be able to manage and nurture client relationships with greater ease and clarity. Just remember, the true power of Notion lies in its adaptability, so feel free to tweak and adapt your CRM as your needs evolve. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips on optimizing your workspace with Notion.